So right now I've reached and I'm just going upstairs to find the actual room so that I'm not lost. Welcome to my vlog to visiting a friend who is building an AI startup. So guys, I'm gonna be honest, this is actually the wrong lift, but it's okay. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like. What am I doing? Why am I acting cute and stuff? Stop it. Okay, so these are the rooms. Very mid, nothing exciting going on here. Okay, lobby. And I'm just kind of like looking around, you know? At this point, I realized that I'm kind of lost. Oh my god, acting cute again. Stop it, yo. Okay, building's dope, but it's not the right building. So I'm trying to find the room that my friend wants me to. I don't know if I'm in the wrong building right now. I am definitely in the wrong building. Honestly. And my friend is saying, come to level 8. There's only level 5. I honestly don't know where I'm at right now. I was honestly so confused, and just to prove that I'm not lying, there's only until level 5 on the lift, so turns out I was at the right place, but this building is just too huge, too big, and I just lost my way, so I'm back at it again, parking in the same place. Let's do it all again. Whew! And I finally found my way after only half an hour, no biggie. I don't even know at this point. Where am I going? Actually, I'm in the right place, so I am glad. Perfect, now we're actually in the right building and we are just, oh, this is a pretty cool library by the way. And we are here officially. So this is the working space that my friend is in, and honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be so fancy, so pretty, so exciting. And quite honestly, I've just realized that I've accidentally walked into the tech startup founder world. And I just feel like this is such a cool space to be in and to share ideas with one another. Well, this is my friend Stefan over here. We haven't met for such a long time, so he's just kind of like interrogating me. No, just kidding, we're chatting. Well, not kidding. Yeah, we're just chatting away, trying to understand how's it going with each other. And he's also a pretty cool AI tech founder. This is Lizzie and this is Ashvin, both founders of Cleave AI. Ashvin is just showing me one of his recent website that he built, and legend said it, he built it in 3 hours. Woo! I know, crazy stuff. It's essentially a website where you can input your photos or images and it just turns into batik art. And he's just explaining the projects to me passionately, and honestly, it's pretty inspiring. Okay, on to the next room. Now we are in a podcast room. The view looks great. I love it. Feels like a CEO just like, you know, looking out of this window. And I'm just soaking in how this room looks like. This is a little bit of a preview. They even have a lighting over here. I'm like, oh my gosh, we're ready to go. I'm ready to podcast anytime. Okay guys, the lighting is awesome. I have a lighting over here right now. The lighting is great. Imagine having a podcast at the back over here. That's crazy. And this is me soaking in the vibes, feeling myself, manifesting to being the CEO of my life. Yeah. And it's almost like one of those like welcome to my daily vlog as a CEO kind of thing. And that's kind of a wrap of me visiting the space. I said goodbye to all the new friends and the old friends that I've met. Really nostalgic because I haven't met a lot of them for a long time. And this is me on a buggy. There's a buggy in a car park. It's almost like I'm in a golf course, but actually in a car park. I'm so happy to have met a lot of these new and old friends who are in the AI tech industry, and it just opened up my eyes, makes me feel like the world is full of dreams and hopes and people who wanted to build something to make the world better. And that is about it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Yay!